seem to be pushing it further away, Miles. He's a big boy. Is Miles the big boy? Well, Miles got the camera now. Not going to make a very good video for Grammy if you have the camera. Come on, Miles. We're making a video. And let me have the camera, please. I want to show her how you can drive your car. Come here, Miles. Stand up right here. Climb around, please. There you go. Now let's show Grammy what we did earlier. No, don't push that button. Get up here. This is going to take a while, Grammy. Come on. Okay, hold on. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to show Grammy. Oh, Miles. You can't hold on to my hand, too. You're cheating. I'm trying to make a video, but it's not working very well. Uh-oh, we hit a stop. We can't go any farther from right here. Here, let's go back. Put this right here. Let's do it again. Do it again. I'm sure. Miles, you're being a weenie. Hopefully we're on the video. E-F-G-H-I-J-K. Let's show Grammy how you love your bunny, Miles. Look at this. Here's your bunny. Give your bunny a kiss. Oh, no. Give your bunny a kiss. Oh, boo. You made me be a liar. Give your bunny a kiss. We just want the camera. I can't make videos anymore because all Miles does is comes for the camera. What are you doing, Miles? Look at your bunny. Hello, Miles. Miles, give your buddy a kiss.